Welcome to a new era where artificial intelligence is not just a concept, but a dynamic force reshaping our world. Imagine a future where AI influences every aspect of our lives, from communication to work and learning. This isn't a distant dream, it's the reality unfolding now. AI is revolutionizing industries, driving innovation, and transforming daily experiences. Its rapid rise signals a powerful shift, promising a future brimming with possibilities. As we stand at the brink of this technological revolution, the question isn't if AI will shape our future, but how. Are you ready to explore the incredible potential AI holds? Join us on this journey to understand the impact and implications of this groundbreaking technology. Let's dive into the revolution, redefining what it means to live in the digital age. In today's dynamic world, AI is more than a concept, it's a cornerstone of modern life. Embedded within smartphones, it helps us navigate, communicate, and shop. In our homes, AI powers smart devices, making tasks more convenient and efficient. In workspaces, AI fosters creativity, streamlines processes, and enhances productivity across industries. From healthcare, where it aids in diagnosing diseases, to entertainment, where it curates personalized experiences. Imagine AI in education, tailoring learning to each student's needs, or in transportation, where autonomous vehicles are a reality. The integration of AI into these sectors illustrates its transformative potential and profound impact on society. Yet, as we embrace these advancements, we must adapt and engage responsibly with this technology. As we continue our journey through AI's possibilities, let's explore its future potential and opportunities for innovation and growth. Join us as we delve deeper into AI's exciting world and its expanding role in shaping our lives. Imagine a future where AI is not just a tool, but an integral part of society. As we stand on the brink of unprecedented technological evolution, AI's potential is both thrilling and daunting. Predictions suggest AI will advance beyond our current understanding, offering opportunities that could redefine industries and everyday life. Yet these advancements come with challenges. We must prepare to adapt responsibly, ensuring AI's benefits are harnessed while addressing ethical implications. The key lies in balancing innovation with mindful stewardship. AI technology promises to revolutionize how we live, work, and interact. From enhancing personalized learning to revolutionizing healthcare with precision medicine, possibilities are vast. However, the journey forward isn't without obstacles. Privacy concerns, job displacement, and ethical considerations demand attention and proactive solutions. As we explore this new frontier, it's crucial for us, especially the younger generation, to engage with AI thoughtfully. Embrace the opportunities it presents and rise to the challenges it poses. The future of AI is not distant, it is unfolding now. Join us in shaping this exciting era responsibly as we transition to the next segment, exploring how you can actively participate in this AI-driven future. As we stand on the threshold of a new era, it's time to take action. AI is not just a tool, it's a partner in our journey of innovation and discovery. Imagine the possibilities when we engage with AI not as passive users, but as active collaborators. We are the architects of tomorrow, and with AI by our side, we can shape a bright and promising future. Reflect on how you can harness this revolutionary power to create positive change. How will you leverage AI's potential to enhance your world? The challenge of adapting to rapid technological change is daunting, yet it offers a unique opportunity. Through informed understanding and proactive engagement, we can overcome these challenges and unlock new horizons. Let curiosity lead the way. Dive deeper into AI, explore its capabilities, and contribute to its growth. As young pioneers of this digital age, your engagement is crucial. AI stands ready to assist us in crafting solutions, driving progress, and fostering innovation. Together, let's redefine what's possible. So how will you engage with AI to create a better future? The future is not something we enter, it's something we create. With AI, we can ensure it's filled with hope and endless possibilities. Embrace the AI revolution and be an active part of shaping the dawn of a new